Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is find the missing angle. Here we have given one figure. We can observe here angle here as the alternate angle of that B is 42 degree. So angle CBA will be 42 degree. Angle CBA is 42 degree. Angle as angle CAB plus angle CBA plus angle ACB is 180 degree because sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So substituting values here, CAB plus angle CBA is plus angle CBA. Here CBA we found it as 42 degree plus ACB we have given which is 80 degree equals to 180 degree. So angle CAB is 180 degree minus 42 degree plus 80 degree. It will be 58 degree. So that missing angle as that missing angle is the alternate angle of angle A. So that is equals to angle A. Hence missing angle is means measure of missing angle is 58 degree.